The enterprise zone is exciting. It's a vehicle for kind of funneling all of governments and local communities' help and support to small and medium-sized businesses.
It's very closely linked to the Anglesey Energy Island programme, which is effectively a programme which seeks to make Anglesey a world-renowned centre of low-carbon energy production. Anglesey is actually a great place to do business. North Wales in general has a strong focus on manufacturing and particular excellence in the low energy generations field, which includes nuclear, wind and marine. There are also very, very strong sectors developing, particularly in the business, construction and building industries, in the logistics, transport sector, and also a huge focus on tourism.
There are many proposed developments on Anglesey. Wilva Nuclear Power Station, Wilva B, through the Horizon project, my own Celtic Array, Rhiannon project, offshore wind farm in the Irish Sea. And in some way, you know, just virtually everybody on Anglesey benefits from the operations of those businesses going forward. We
obviously have here in Holyhead a deep water port, which is very centrally located, access 365 days a year and non-tidally restricted. The workforce itself on Anglesey, very highly skilled as a result of the Wilva Power Station, and of course those skills are transferable. We also have a significant research and development team and facilities on the island. We're closely linked to Bangor University, and of course we have the new energy centre at Coleg Minnau.
We've got great connections on and off the island, straight to Liverpool, Manchester, Birmingham in under 2 hours. And a train ride from Bangor to London is about 3 hours and 20 minutes. I know I do it every week.
We have some exciting sites on Anglesey. Coupled to all of this is government's commitment to work very closely with Isle of Anglesey Council planners and developers and landowners in the area to deliver these projects. Businesses coming to the enterprise zone in Anglesey can expect several things. First of all, they can expect really strong support from council. Companies, particularly small SMEs, either coming here or expanding its workforce, can expect business rates relief support. They can expect significant government assistance here. We're in a Tier 1 area, which clearly gives us an advantage of being in the top range of areas that government can actually provide grant funding for. Infrastructure support, R&D support, ICT, e-learning, staff training, that sort of thing.
I moved here in 2000 as a single manager, having joined Wilva Nuclear Power Station. And over the last 13 years, I've chosen to remain here and raise a young family here. And I just personally can't see any other place I'd rather live.